Many of you have been asking for additional help creating the audio slides that have been assigned in the class. So this is an updated set of tutorials to create one of those audio slides. You are provided with this slide presentation that has a link to all the steps, so you can think of it in steps. The first step, of course, being recording the audio itself. The second, and very important, is getting that audio file to your student Google Drive account. Third, inserting the audio into a Google slide. And then finally, publishing that slide presentation online and providing a hypertext back to the original Google Doc. So the first step is recording your audio. So you can use any one of these three techniques. First, you can use your phone app. If you're in Android, you can go to the Google Play Store and find a recorder. If you are using an iPhone, you probably have voice notes already on the phone. If you're using a Chromebook or you're using a computer, there is a web-based tool called Online Voice Recorder. It looks like this. And if you click the red button, not the green, but the red button, it will create an MP3 for you. If you're doing it on your computer, that MP3 will be placed in your download folder. Or if you're using a Chromebook, you're already linked to your student Google Drive, so it will automatically upload it to your student Google Drive. Once you've done that, once you've recorded it, it's very important to get it to the student drive. Now, if you are unable to upload it to your drive, you won't be able to access it once you're inside a Google slide. So it's important that you're in your student drive. And for example, if I go here to my drive, you can see up here above me that it is my account. You need to make sure that the drive that you are in is the proper account. And then once you're here, you go to New, File Upload. And if it's in the download, you should be able to find it here on the list and upload it to your drive. However you get it to your drive, okay, it could be under share options. So if you've created it on your phone, you may need to go to your share options. So often sharing it to your Google Drive. And it may give you options as to which account. So making sure that it is shared to the right account. If it ever gives you a choice to rename it, make sure that you give it a name so that if you have to find it later, you can use that file name to do a search on it. After you have created it and successfully uploaded it to your Google Drive, the next step is to insert that audio into the slide. Now this is different than just copying and pasting something. It is an insert option inside of Google Slide. Under the insert options, you will look for audio, and then when it comes to your drive, you'll have to find that file that you just saved. Okay? So let me show you what that looks like in our template. In our template, you'll have this. Again, you'll be given simply maybe a graphic, or there'll be a circle where I want you to put the audio. But you go up here to the insert options, you click on audio, and it will take you to your drive. So if you save this, for example, I saved one called test audio, you just simply select it, choose select, and it generates a little icon, a little speaker icon. You click and drag it into the circle. Once it's selected, you choose format options, and then you look at audio playback. And then you go down here to click automatically. So once I have that inserted to play automatically, the next step is to publish it to the web. Now it's called Publish to the Web, and so you're going to go under File to Publish to the Web. Remember, don't check boxes. Just click Publish and Yes and OK, and then you're going to copy the online address. After you've copied it, you're going to create a hyperlink in your Google Doc. So what does this part over here look like? Let me show you again. So here we are back at our slide, and I've successfully placed my audio in here. So I go to File, I go down to Publish to the Web. When it pops up, you'll see it'll say Publish. Don't click these boxes, just click Publish, OK, and it gives you this already highlighted. You can right click and choose Copy. You can just press Control C and copy it so that you now have the published URL in front of you. Now the next step, after I've copied the online address of the presentation, the next step is to create a hyperlink in my Google Doc. Okay, so in my doc, there is going to be a piece of text where it says publish here, or you can just write the words online link. But I don't want you doing this. I don't want you pasting the URL. I don't even want you pasting it and turning it into a link. Okay, what we're going to do is turn the words into a hyperlink. So first I select the text that I want to link, and I have a number of different ways to create the link. Number one is there's a little link icon here. Number two is a right click and there's the icon again. Or the simplest way is to simply press Control K. Then I paste in the address that I copied from before, Control V or paste, and I click Apply. And now my online link is there so that when I click on it, it will take me to the online presentation of what I've created. If I want to look at this, and I'll show you again, my audio slide, this is already there. It is ready to play automatically, and it has the look that I want. It is very important that you finish the publish to the web and that you have the hyperlink in the doc. My main concern with this whole assignment is primarily the recording of the audio. To get good at this recording of the audio, the publish to the web hyperlink is the finishing touches that will make it look clean and professional. If you need any more help trying to figure this out, please reach out, send me an email, go over the tutorials, and I will be glad to either contact you through the email or set up a video conference where we can go over the details of how to do it.